Hey guys, you're watching Dansky, the place to be to develop your creative skills, and in the next 60 seconds I'm going to show you how you can turn a daytime image into a nighttime image with one adjustment layer all in Photoshop. So you can see I've opened up an image of a beautiful daytime landscape, and I'm going to go to the bottom of the layers panel and select the adjustment icon, and I'm going to choose color lookup. And you can see here we can load a 3D LUT. LUT stands for lookup table. You can find this in video editing applications like Premiere as well. Think of it as a color profile, and there's lots of default ones to choose from. You could try Foggy Night, for example, which can sometimes be quite effective. Not really in this case, but the best ones for this particular image are Moonlight, or below that we have Night from Day, and you can see instantly it turns that daytime image into a nighttime image just with one adjustment layer. So experiment with those three, see what works, and then that's a great starting point if you wanted to go and create a nighttime scene, for example. And there we go, that's how to turn a daytime image into night in Photoshop.